Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video I'm gonna be doing this makeup look which is perfect for wedding guest makeup look. So if you want to know how you can get this look, then please keep on watching. So today I'm gonna start with my eye makeup first. Here I'm priming my eyes, applying the concealer all over my eyes and to get an even blank canvas for my eye makeup, and then I'm setting this concealer with a compact powder, and by doing this my concealer won't crease throughout the day and it will make blending a lot more easier, guys. So first I'm taking this pinkish peaches shade with a fluffy blender brush and applying this shade just above my crease as my first transition shade. Then I'm taking a small blending brush and I'm gonna apply this shade on my crease, and I'm gonna blend this as much as I can. Because of that I can get a really nice smooth transition base. Then I'm taking these two shades and applying this just above my crease just to get a much more smooth transition. Next I'm taking this olive green shade with the help of my finger and I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelids. Now moving on to our face makeup, I'm using this Blue Heaven primer and just applying this on the center of my face, और मैं इसे blend करूँगी अपनी fingers की help से. Then I'm taking Nykaa Skin Shield foundation and I'm applying this foundation on the center of my face and then blending it all out with the help of my flat top kabuki brush. And to be very honest, इस टाइम पे मुझे लगा था कि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा foundation ले लिया है जितना मुझे actually चाहिए था. So here I am blending it out as much as I can and I'm taking this foundation all the way to my neck and to my ears. To be honest, I'm really impressed with this foundation. It gives you a pretty good coverage. I'm gonna review it soon, guys. Next, I'm taking this Wet n Wild concealer and applying this concealer on the highest points of my face and I'm blending it out with my brush. Really, मैं उन लोगों से बहुत ज़्यादा impressed हूँ जो लोग पहले eye makeup करते हैं फिर foundation लगाते हैं. बिकॉज मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हुई अपने कंसीलर को ब्लेंड करने में, क्योंकि मुझे डर था कि मैं अपने आई मेकअप को कहीं ख़राब ना कर दूँ. Next I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder and today I'm gonna bake my face. These days I'm really loving baking. It makes my skin flawless. By the way, if you want to know all the shades of my product, then you have to check the description box below. All the products with their shade names will be there. Next, moving on to my brows, I'm taking this Music Flower gel liner and I'm going to fill my brows with this. Okay guys, I don't know what went wrong, but it took me more than 15 minutes just to do my brows and it was still not good. So we can say it was not a good brow day, guys. Next, I'm taking this big fluffy brush and dusting off all the excess powder. Next, for bronzing, I'm taking this H&M bronzer and I'm gonna bronze my face with this. So far, I'm really loving this bronzer, guys. I guess it is perfect for my skin tone. Now moving on to blush, I'm using this blush by Sugar and I'm applying this all over my cheeks. Guys, this blush is really very pigmented, so make sure आप इसे बहुत कम लगाएं और धीरे धीरे करके लगाएं, क्योंकि मैंने मिस्टेक करी थी और एकदम से बहुत ज़्यादा लगा लिया था. उसके बाद मैंने इसे फाउंडेशन से फिर से टोन डाउन किया. Now moving on to my eyes again, I'm taking this brown shade and I'm applying it all over my lower lash line with the help of a pencil brush and blending everything out with a fluffy blending brush. Next, I'm using a mascara by Maybelline. You have to buy this mascara, guys. ये बहुत अच्छा mascara है. इसका review मैं बहुत जल्दी करने वाली हूँ, so stay tuned. Next, I'm taking a golden eyeshadow and applying it on my inner corners. I'm using Ybp color cream and I'm gonna apply it on my highest points of my face. I just love this color cream. It is really pigmented. It gives you a nice wet dripping finish, guys. I love it. Now for my lips, I'm using NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Exotic and applying this all over my lips. So yes guys, this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, guys. And do let me know what you think about this makeup look in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.